In this video, I am gonna teach you how you can make a TikTok video viral by knowing the TikTok analytics. For that, open your TikTok account and you can go to the your profile, and you can see the three dots on the right top corner of your TikTok profile. From there, you search for the analytics. In analytics, you can see different options: overview, content, and followers. In the overview section, you can find view counts, follower counts, and profile view counts. And you can see here that there are the different number of views in different days. You can click over the bars to get individual views. Similarly, you can see the followers number here. Another is the content section. In the content section, you can find the trending videos and the recently uploaded videos, and you can find which videos are trending right now. The another option is the followers. In the followers, you can see the gender. According to gender, 54% are female followers and 45% is male followers for my TikTok account. And you can see the number of or the percentage of followers from different countries. I have highest number of followers from India. Similarly, you can see the follower activity. My followers are active from around 10 p.m. in the night to around 3-4 a.m. in the morning. That is the peak period. That at that time most of the followers are active at that time. So if I upload the video around that time, then there is high chances that my video will go viral. It's because people it's showing active during the night time. It's because in Australia it could be around midnight, but most of my followers are from India. That means uh, in India during that time it could be maybe 5 6 7 around evening time. So that's the best time I have to upload my videos. And I can see here videos that my followers are watching, and after I know what type of videos they watch, I can make more videos like that. Similarly, there are the tunes that my viewers are using. They are watching, they are listening those tunes, so I can use those tunes and make those type of videos to get more attention of my followers. So this TikTok analytics can be helpful for you to generate more views or possibly make a viral video, because you get the idea of your viewers interest, and at what time the viewers watch your videos and what kind of people watch your videos. These all ideas will help you to make the content that are more likely your viewers are watching. Now, if you wanna see the data of individual video, then you have to open that particular video, and from that particular video you can see the three dots, and from those dots you can see the analytics, and you go to analytics. In the analytics you can see different data there. You can see traffic source type. Here is the For You page generating 58% is traffic, and follow page generating 39% traffic. So my more views are coming from For You page than the followers page. Similarly, in the audience territories section, you can find which countries people are watching your videos most, and you can make more videos according to their interest. And you will also have opportunity to see the average watch time, so that you can find out actually the people are loving your video or not, or they are skipping your video, or they are watching your entire video. So this TikTok analytics is great to find out what your audience are loving and what your followers want to see the videos of, and you can start making such type of videos so that you can get more views, and obviously you will get more followers. So if you find this video useful, I would love to see you comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips like this. Now I'll see you in next video. Until then, keep making TikTok.